Hi, I'm Luke. I'm a sport and exercise science student and I'm currently on placement with the English Institute of Sport.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I currently study human biology at Loughborough University and I'm also a medical intern for the England and Wales Cricket Board.
Hi, my name's Harriet. I'm a psychology student doing a placement at Glenfield Hospital with the New Eating Disorder Clinic.
My name is Rebecca Langley. I study sport and exercise science and my placement was with Nottingham Forest Football Club.
I'm Francesca. I study psychology and I've been doing my placement at Great Ormond Street in the feeding disorder team.
I definitely think a placement year is very beneficial. I was actually quite surprised at the amount of responsibility I was given throughout the year. I think it makes you definitely more employable and a lot more confident going for job interviews and graduate jobs after your degree.
So I've grown so much over the year. I've gained so much confidence, knowledge about feeding disorders and also getting one-on-one interactions with both clinicians and the service users, which has been really useful.
So my favourite week of placement was back in October before the Paralympic team went out for the World Championships. We had them into the lab every day, so I was working with some of our finest Paralympic athletes, so that was really good to build relationships with them. And I think that the skills that I've learnt this year will really help me apply my knowledge when I go back into university next year.
Over the past year I've done a lot of research onto the injury surveillance of concussion and head injuries within cricket, both past and present. It's very rewarding for me to see a positive influence on protecting our players.
Having studied sport and exercise science at Loughborough for the past 2 years before going on to placement, I actually found that a lot of the content was similar. However, at Nottingham Forest it was in an applied setting, working with a group of elite performers and seeing the work that they've done in training, put into practice in matches, seeing the improvements they've made as they've gone along, and then actually seeing the players win the league at the end of the season.
I think particularly for psychology, a placement year is so crucial because it's hard to get experience. This whole year gives you an opportunity to get that experience and also sets you up for graduate jobs or even clinical training in the future.
I feel like my research skills have developed from being at this placement, of which I feel has prepped me in good stead for final year, where hopefully I can use it to my advantage within my dissertation.
For anyone that is looking into doing a placement, I really do strongly recommend it. I applied for this placement and I do not regret it. It's been a great opportunity for me. I found something that I was very passionate about and I hope that this will guide me in the future.
My advice to anyone doing a placement year would be pick something that you thoroughly enjoy so you can have a fun and exciting year.